Hey guys, Happy New Year. Welcome back to the channel. It's me again, JP, your crypto agent. And on this video, guys, I will teach you how to use Globe Telecom GCash credit. So, pwede kang umutang sa Globe ng 2,000 pesos and you could use it sa mga affiliated store. Yung nakikita yung QR code, yon, pwede nyo siyang gamitin. So, I will show you how to use that. But first, of course, you need to have a GCash account. So, by the way, I do apologize guys if hindi ako gumagawa ng videos recently. My last videos is that's actually a month ago. The most decent one was 2 months ago. So, my mom just passed as you can see sa screen ng cellphone ko. Yeah, rest in peace ma. Moving forward, guys, asa na ba tayo? Yeah. So you need to have GCash app. So punta kayo sa Google Play Store, search nyo doon GCash, okay? And you can download GCash. And since installed na siya, click nyo GCash. Then enter ko lang yung PIN ko. Wait, okay. Let's go back to the screen. Ang catch dito, so punta muna tayo dun sa ano. So assuming na meron na kayong GCash, no, naka-register na kayo and all that, install. And you need to be verified yung magpapasa ka ng ID and all that. Yan. So, basically, verified ako, no? Okay. Now, I will provide the link on the description para magkaroon kayo ng extra 50 pesos pag gagamitin yung link ko. Now, ito yung G-score ko. So, I already made payments. As you can see, you can increase your credit score to 30,000 pesos. So, para siyang credit card in a way na rin. So, ngayon, nasa 2,000 pesos ako. Since I'm a new user, I use this October, November ata, I think. By the way, I'm using this mobile to PC screen mirror. Search nyo lang sa Google Play Store. Refresh natin. So, lumabas ng ads kaya namatay. Free. Alright, going back sa GCash. Enter ko uli ang PIN. Alright, yan. So, assuming na nag-verified kayo, nagpasa kayo ng ID and all that, gamitin yung link sa description ng GCash, guys, para magkaroon kayo ng 50 extra pera dito sa GCash and you could use it here, buy load, or you could use it sa store and all that. Now, going back sa GCash, you can improve your credit score and pwede kang umutang dito ng 30,000 but you could use it sa mga affiliated establishments or stores. Punta tayo dito sa Manage Credit, GCash Credit. So, as you can see, may total credit limit ako na 2,000 pesos. Now, I could pay that until January 31st. Okay? My GCash credit score is 494. Okay, ang interest lang is 5% lang guys for 30 days. That's very very minimal kung 2,000 that's like 50 pesos lang ata, 'di ba? So very convenient pag yun talagang limited ka sa cash. Alam mo, may bill kang hinahabol, hindi mo mabayaran yung kuryente mo, you can use this. And I will show you how to do that. Hold on, i-search ko lang yung bill ko. Babayaran ko yung internet ko. Okay, I actually saved this moment to show you how to do it. And so, I will show you how to use GCash credit using GCash. Okay? So, ang catch dito, ito yung balance mo, ito yung credit mo. Kailangan, example, ima-max out mo yung credit. Alam mo, ito, as you can see, 1,200. So, if hindi mo pa nagagamit, 2,000 yan. So, kailangan mag-load ka ng 2,000 pesos. Yun ang catch niya. So, kung baga, ima-match mo tong balance tsaka credit. So, ibig sabihin, yung balance mo dapat 1 to din. 1,241 para ma-max out mo tong 1,241 kung whatever balance dito. Dapat 1,212 rin something here. By the way guys, I can withdraw my GCash gamit tong card ko. Makukuha mo to sa sa local mga GCash store sa SM Mall, akin sa SM Mall. Bigay ka lang ID din 100 pesos para makakuha ka ng debit card. So as you can see here, may black screen. Pwede mo siyang withdrawin. Okay? So yon, balance then credit. So balance and credit. So I hope na gets mo siya, no? Uubusin natin itong 1,241. Babayaran ko yung globe ko. So may balance pa akong 1,7 dito. kailangan sadyain mo talaga mag-load dito para i-match mo yung credit. Na pagkagamit mo naman ng credit, pwede mo naman syempre gamitin yung balance mo, which is this is a cash and this is a parang a credit card ang dating, di ba? Now, let's pay. Let's see muna yung ating credit limit. Now, the current credit limit I use is 758. Bumili ako sa Pure Gold. Papakita ko to later. Yan, nag-grocery ako sa Pure Gold. Ito yung na-spent ko, okay? So, meron pang 1241 balance here. So, bayad tayo ng bill. Pay bill. Yan, pay bill. Okay? Since this is a telecom, Globe Telecom, hanapin natin si yan, Globe at Home. Yung lagay natin account number and ito yung aking account number. Account number 871241 lang muna. So may kulang pa akong 60 pesos. Pero pwede ko naman yung isettle ng separate payment. Okay, next natin. Ayan. So, lalabas siya, may two option ka para siya gamitin. So, it's either GCash, which is yung cash mo, or credit. So, on this one, we'll use credit for this presentation. Okay? Next natin. Yan, may magkaka-remaining balance tayo na 60 cents na lang. Yun. So, makaka-receive ka ng text message, like this one. Now, you already paid and nandyan na yung reference number. Then, ito yung sa mismong app. Okay? So, yan na rin yung reference number. Took a screenshot. Done. So, as you can see, thank you for using GCash. Yung credit limit mo is 60 cents na lang. So, as you can see sa managed credit, makikita mo, you have used 1,999 or 2,000 pesos. Okay? So, yung balance mo nandiyan pa rin, so you can use it. Of course, umutang ka sa GCash. Alright, so that's how you pay the bill, may internet bill. Pakita ko naman sa iyo paano magbayad naman sa sa store. So, panoorin natin yung ginawa ko last. GCash.
Huwag na tumingin, may sabon ka pa.
GCash.
Huwag na tumingin, may sabon ka pa doon. Alas ka dyan, alas ka.
Ito yung GCash app. Sige natin pin. Okay, tip lang guys kung gagawin nyo to, kailangan, kasi pag nakapila ka sa grocery or kung saan establishment mo siya gagamitin, kailangan make sure na may internet ka. Okay? So, kasi before, nung nasa unahan na ako, wala akong internet. So, napilitan ako mag-cash kasi nakapila. So, dapat, habang ini-scam pa lang ni cashier yung dapat naka-login ka na. Okay? Para hindi ma-delay. At hindi ka rin parang mahiya dun sa may susunod sa'yo. Right? So, moving on. So, forward lang natin, no? Ayan. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo paano ko nakalagin. Alright, nakalagin ako dito. So, low light lang pero just pay by clicking this, pay QR code. So, tapos scan natin yun. Anak, katabi anak, scan natin to. Tap nyo lang to. Okay. So, kung may funds ka, ayan yung Magkano?
768 for
758.40. So may option ka na G-credit or cash. G-credit natin. Yun. Bigay mo yung reference number. Nag-text sa kanya. Mamatch na lang. Okay na. Okay na. Yun. Thank you, Gcash. Sign up na kayo sa Gcash, guys. Para may 50 pesos ka, may 50 pesos din ako. Thank you. So yun guys. So that's how you use Gcash credit. And sana may natutunan kayo. Then next video guys, i-review ko naman yung mga loan apps. Refresh lang natin loan apps and nag-a-ads kasi free lang tong mirror app na to. Ayan, start mirror. So refresh. Okay, yan. So next guys is re-review natin tong mga loan apps. Malaking tulong din to sa mga Filipino. So ID lang, and yung iba dyan is humihingi ng mga payslip and all that. Okay? Convenient din kung uutang ka, example, yung tala. But anyway, I will tackle that in a later episode. Now, since we have used GCash, right? Ayan, na-receive na daw nila yung payment. You can download these two apps here. Itong Globe Rewards at Globe at Home. Since you are a Globe user, you can download that sa Google Play Store. May mga rewards sila. Nagagamit ko rin to buy, load. So, ibig sabihin, kada use mo ng Globe products, like yung load products like prepaid load, nag-earn ka ng points, right? Na naka-receive ka ng rebate or points. And you can use them here sa mga all rewards. Okay? So, Globe promos, shopping, dine-in, entertainment. Now, I've recently used 8 points ang requirement to get 1 day load, 1 gig. So, malaking bagay din yan. So, yun lang, added incentive and mga load products here. Now, you could also do donate, okay? Yan, 5 pesos, 50 pesos, depending sa points mo, and you could do shopping. 100 SM Advantage card, and yung mga tie-up companies nila. Okay yan, sa bench din, no? Meron din, no? Bench fix. So, you could use these points sa mga establishments na makikita mo dito sa Globe Rewards app. And kung ang internet mo naman is Globe, download mo yung Globe at Home app. Makikita mo kung ilang yung na-use mong gig. So, ang subscription ko is 400 gigabit. So, I already used 100 gigabit since January 6 na ngayon. 6 days ko na siya nagamit. Naka 100 gigabit na ako. So, you have an option to upgrade. So, I already paid this. Kanina, pinakita ko 124, 1241 lang. So, kulang ako ng 50 pesos or something. Anyway, I will settle that later after this video. And I hope guys may natutunan kayo sa G-Credit. Share nyo tong video guys doon sa mga may Gcash and wanna utilize G-Credit. Malaking tulong din para doon sa mga kababayan nating Filipino dyan. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Please like, subscribe this video. Peace.